Okay, I'm gonna show how to do this problem real quick. So we start out with 12 and 6/7 minus, here's the problem, minus 431 and 1/2. Okay, so first, what I did is I took the 12 minus 430 because I want to leave more than 1 left behind. So let me just show you here. So I did 12 minus 430, and I forgot what that was, but let me do it on my calculator. 430. That was negative 418. Okay. Now what we're left with up here is is 6/7 minus 1.5, which can also be written as 3/2, right? Okay, so we need to get a common denominator, and so what we're going to do is we're going to multiply everything here by 7 and everything here by 2. That way 7 times 2 on the bottom, if you do 7 times 2, that's 14. So we're going to have 7 times 2 is 14 on the bottom, 7 times 3 is 21 on the top. I'm going to scoot this over here. Okay. And over here we're going to have 7 times 2 is 14 on the bottom, and 6 times 2 is 12 on the top. Whoops. 21. That was supposed to be 21. Okay, so now we can say 12 minus 21. And if I did this right, that should be 12 minus 21 is negative 9. It's negative 9. And that's over 14. So now I can add this and this, add it together. So we have negative 418 plus a negative, or we can just say minus. Right? So plus a negative number is the same as just saying minus that number. So minus 9/14. So it is negative 418 and 9/14, which is this number here. And that is how you solve that problem.